Top 7 Common Home Workout Mistakes.
Exercising at home is convenient, but it's easy to make mistakes that hinder your progress or increase your risk of injury. Let's look at the top 7 common home workout mistakes and, more importantly, how to fix each one so you can stay safe, motivated, and get the best results from your workouts.
Skipping warm-ups.
Many people jump straight into exercise without warming up. This can lead to muscle strains and reduced performance. Always start with 5 to 10 minutes of light cardio or dynamic stretches, such as arm circles or jogging in place, to prepare your body for exercise and help prevent injuries.
Poor exercise form.
Using improper technique can cause injuries and limit your results. For example, rounding your back during squats or push-ups puts stress on your spine. Focus on learning correct form for every movement. Consider recording yourself, using mirrors, or following detailed video instructions to ensure you're doing exercises safely.
Neglecting variety.
Doing the same routine repeatedly can lead to plateaus and boredom. Your muscles adapt over time, so progress slows. Mix things up by alternating workouts, adding new exercises, or changing the order and intensity. This not only keeps things interesting, but also challenges your body for better results.
Overtraining without rest.
Some people try to work out intensely every day, thinking more is better. Without proper rest, your body can't recover or build strength. Schedule rest days or lower intensity workouts to allow your muscles time to heal. Listen to your body. Recovery is just as important as the workouts themselves.
Not tracking progress.
It's hard to know if you're making progress if you're not tracking it. Without monitoring your workouts, you might repeat the same sets and see little improvement. Keep a simple log of exercises, repetitions, sets, and how you felt. Tracking helps you set achievable goals and celebrate your improvements.
Ignoring proper nutrition and hydration.
Exercise alone isn't enough. Your body needs proper fuel and hydration to perform and recover. Skipping meals, not drinking enough water, or lacking essential nutrients can impact your energy and progress. Focus on balanced meals with protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. And remember to drink water before, during, and after workouts.
Setting unrealistic expectations.
Expecting instant results can lead to disappointment or giving up too soon. Lasting fitness changes take time and consistency. Set realistic, specific goals and be patient with yourself. Celebrate small wins along the way. And remember that consistency, not perfection, is the key to long-term success in fitness.